Welcome back to another video about learning how to make money with AI. So you have a YouTube channel but don't have Photoshop or any good photo editing software or don't know how to make good thumbnails. Well, I'm gonna show you can make a killer YouTube thumbnail in only 5 minutes that takes no skill whatsoever. First, go to leonardo.aiw. It's a cool text-to-image a website where you can create stunning images easily for free. If you don't wanna spend hours looking at Shutterstock or have to pay for an image, this is the right place. Sign up and go absolute reality. This is the best photo that you can do for free. Click on it and you end up here. You'll see a few models. Pick the one you like. This looks good. Click on clone this and here we go. You'll see all this text is already placed here. It is all the details of what you want for your model. This field here is the negative prompt. You have all the stuff you don't want to see in your photo. You can make edits as you want. Click on generate and wait. This is what it came up with, but I'm thinking I want something else. I want my model to have green eyes, something that pops. So I'm gonna add green eyes to the text prompt. Also a red dress, click on generate again and wait. Wow, look at that. This is perfect. Download the image and let's move on. Now go to Canva. This is a cool website where you can create content for free. Click on YouTube thumbnails right here. Go and find any of the free thumbnails to start with. Here we go. This looks good. Make the edits and add any style you want. Okay, now drag your image into Canva and place the model on the thumbnail. It's that easy. Adjust it how you want. Download the thumbnail and there you have it. Toy just made a YouTube thumbnail in minutes only using AI. Thanks for watching. Sub to the channel and learn other ways to make money at home with using only AI. Good luck.